I wanted to thank Carrie over at Weight Watchers with Carrie and also Mel over at Mel's Weight Loss Journey for inviting me to do part of their collab of what's in my fridge, things that I use to keep me on track each day. I've gotten a lot of inspiration from a lot of YouTube channels. My channel is called Let's Get Fit with Sandy. I'm on a journey to lose 100 pounds. My goal is to lose 30 pounds by New Year's Eve. So I got to get crack-a-lackin'. So I've been watching other people's on how watching other people on how they're planning on getting ready for their weight loss journey, and so I've got some inspiration from a lot of them. And so let's see what's in my fridge. Look at that! I cleaned it out special just for you. Okay, let me turn you around. With the door, I kind of put my stuff in front so that Jim can have to reach around to get his stuff. But I have my sugar-free syrup. But Jim's syrup is behind there. He likes the Aunt Jemima and then regular maple syrup. And he uses regular barbecue sauce. Let me show you. Wish I could keep my door open. Let me slide it over this way. Jim uses the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And then just we use the P.F. Chang's soy sauce. And I gotta put that off so we don't have to listen to that. And then these are the different dressings. Sometimes I'll use the points, sometimes I don't. I just got this one, so I don't know how it's going to taste. The Light Italian by Olive Garden, but it's less points than the regular. I do like the regular, so we'll see how I like that. This is my all-time favorite, the Panera at-home poppy seed. It's 1 point for 3 tablespoons, so that takes you a long way. So put the... And the Worcestershire sauce, I don't really use it that much. Jim does. Let me get the phone. Okay, Jim just uses regular butter. So the butter's up here. And then when the grandkids come for the fruit punches, I have those there. Jim uses regular jelly. So we have the red raspberry, the grape, and the regular strawberry. And then ketchup and mustard. And my taco sauce is in the bag. And then my Boar's Head delicatessen mustard and honey mustard. And Diet Vernors. This is for when my son-in-law comes over. He likes that tea. And then if I feel like a diet pop, I'll have that. But I'm not really into big diet pops. I drink regular 2% milk. I do like this Simply Light. It's, forget. It's not a lot of points. I have to figure that out, figure out how many points it is. I do like the Diet Cranberry Juice, which is 0 points. 0 points for that. Water, obviously. Occasionally I'll have V8 juice, not very often. Jim drinks it more than I do. And the grandkids like apple juice. Okay, into the fridge. The top shelf is Jim's. Eggs and English muffins. If I do want an English muffin, it's 4 points. His pickles that he likes. Occasionally, I use that wine. If I have company, I might have a small glass of wine. So I have that. And then his baby dolls. And the Miracle Whip is 1 point for a tablespoon. And he likes the Marzetti Thousand Island. He puts it on his burgers. And, of course, you know I gotta have berries. Garden berries. I had some leftover vegetables from yesterday, so I just put them in the bag. Jim drinks Diet Pepsi. I use regular whole-fat sour cream. I figure in the points. I don't have any right now, but I usually have a brick of Velveeta cheese, but I ran out. I portioned out my cottage cheese containers. They're half cups. So I have 4 half cups of cottage cheese there. So they're just quick and easy to grab. And then this is Jim's lunch meat drawer. If I wanted to use this Canadian bacon, it's only 1 point. He has bologna and piccolo. He has regular Kraft American cheese. And I use the Velveeta for 1 point for a slice. Okay, this is my shelf. I'm not a big fan of applesauce, but you know, sometimes for a quick pinch for a snack. My sugar-free strawberry preserves. I do like my creamy spice or pepper jack cheese. Let me put you on a stand. Just a minute. That might work out a little better. Kroger's had this buy one, get it free, a free Friday download. It's 0 points. I'm going to try it. I'm going to put some raspberries in it. I'm not a big fan of yogurt, but I'm determined to like it. I always boil up a dozen eggs for the week so that they're just a quick, handy grab. If you just want to put some lemon juice in something real quick. I still haven't tried this. I got this free at my meeting last week. I'm kind of shy on that. I do have more yogurts, or not yogurts, guacamoles, but they're in the freezer. I just take them out as I need them. My feta cheese, 1 point. I open a pineapple and just put it in here so I can scoop it up for my cottage cheese. My sugar-free puddings, they're 1 point each, 2 points each. I take it back, 2 points each. And then my Nanan breads, they're 1 point for each one. I keep them. You're supposed to keep them refrigerated. These are my favorite dips. It's my spinach. I like the spinach artichoke Parmesan dip better than this one, but they didn't have any. And I absolutely love this. This is what I put on my Nanan breads. And then I bought this a while ago and forgot I had it. Some sauerkraut. Going to put that on a sandwich probably this weekend. And this is just my catch-all. This is just a click and save, click box. I don't know what they're called, but I keep my pepperonis, my turkey pepperonis in here, and then my cheese sticks, and I have like regular pepper jack cheese that I slice, and then some more cheese sticks. I keep that in there. I'll reorganize when I'm done talking with you guys. And so then, which leaves this other shelf. You know, Jim doesn't eat a lot, so Jim is a meat and potato guy. As long as he's got his lunch meat, his English muffins in the morning, he's set. So I can take as much room as I want in the rest of the fridge. These are my mushrooms. Keep them in a brown paper bag. They last way longer. You take them out of the container, put them in a lunch bag, they'll last up to a week. These are Fridge Smart by Rubbermaid. The only thing I do, and they're raspberries, they keep up for almost over a week. They stay fresh. I bought these last Wednesday, so about 4 days ago. But what I do is, I found that I put a napkin or a paper cloth on the bottom to kind of absorb some of the moisture. It helps it last longer. And then I do the same thing. I have green pepper and red pepper in here. I prepare a couple salads that I'm going to just be able to grab and go. I take that back. Well, this is spinach salads. These are 2 spinach salads. I have spinach, red onion, 2 tablespoons of feta cheese, and some cherry tomatoes. It's 2 points for the cheese and then 1 point for my dressing, so it's a 3-point salad. And then I just made up a couple regular salads with just seedless cucumber, lettuce, onions, and tomatoes, and that. I drink the unsweetened tea. My son-in-law drinks the sweet tea, so I have that in here. I don't really drink bottled water, but my grandkids drink bottled water. Oliver and Sophia do not like pop, so they drink water. I also have blackberries. And I got my cucumbers in here. Once again, Rubbermaid, Fridge Smart. I have my barbecue sauce, which is the sugar-free barbecue sauce by G. Hughes. And sometimes I make a tiny little pizza. So I get my little pizza squirts. And then Danny has his water and Gatorade because Danny doesn't drink pop either. Let's put this back in there. And then I have strawberries. And then in here, I buy my own broccoli whole and my whole cauliflower. And then I cut it up myself and just put it in here. Once again, I put a little napkin on the bottom to just kind of absorb some of the moisture. Just regular lettuce to put on sandwiches. Gotta change that paper towel. Every once in a while I'll change the paper towel when it gets a little damp. It just keeps the stuff fresher. And then my spinach. Oh, can you see it? Spinach. So that goes for there. And like I said, I just got the Rubbermaid. You can get them on Amazon. They sell them at Kroger's. You also can get it at Bed Bath & Beyond, Target. They're sold everywhere. They're a little pricey. I'll give you that they're a little pricey, but it's so well worth the money. Then I have like my red onions in here and the regular onions in there. Just potatoes in the drawer here. All right, I gotta lift you up to show you this drawer. This is my drawer too. I got all that stuff in there. So let me show you what I got in here. I have my wellness wraps. I'm gonna keep in there. I have my tuna. My center cut bacon, it's 1 point for 2 slices. I have my oven roasted turkey, it's 1 point for 2 ounces. I have my cheese, it's 3 points for a slice. So I have the mild cheddar. We also have the provolone. I like cheese, as you can tell, and Swiss. I have an extra package of the pepper jack Laughing Cow, 1 point each. I like the whipped butter. It's 2 points. My bagels, it's 6 points for a whole bagel. I just use a half a bagel for 3 points, and then one of the Laughing Cows, which makes it 1 point. And then I got 2 bottles of the Panera dressing because it was buy one, get one free. And every once in a while, I do like a snack. Like I have to have a little bit of sugar. So I have some Hershey bars. I know that shouldn't be on a diet, but I'm not on a diet. I'm on a lifestyle. So if I want a candy bar, I don't eat the whole candy bar. I just eat maybe half of it. Just enough to satisfy my urge. And then I'm fine. And I feel no guilt whatsoever with that. So let me turn you around. Well, I wasn't sure if I was supposed to show you the freezer, but this is Jim's side. We have his lunch meat, his bacon, his cheese, hot dogs, you know, just things he's going to grab real quick. And then this is mine. I have my guacamole, French fries. I got my frozen vegetables, some cheese, some of the lunch meat that was on sale, the butter was on sale, my soups, and that's about it in here. And up here is just my Ezekiel bread and my French fries, Jim's hot dog buns. That's about it. And then I'm making some chili today. So I'm going to have to rearrange my freezer a little bit to get that in there. But there we go. That's what's in my fridge. Okay, once again, I wanted to thank Carrie and Mel for inviting me over for this collab. Hopefully you saw something interesting. Most of my products I either got at Bed Bath & Beyond or at Kroger. And check out the information box down below and see what everybody else's fridge looks like. I'm kind of interested myself. So give this video a like, leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and share it if you think somebody might like to see it.